What's up guys, my name is Jack. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I produce daily content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. Today we're doing it big. A follow-up from my video the other day, which was how to optimize your YouTube videos. Today we're doing how to optimize your YouTube channel. And full disclaimer, I've been doing YouTube since I was young, very young, on and off since I was like 10 years old, properly in terms of a daily hustle since I was maybe 14, maybe younger to be honest, but 100% that daily hustle since I was about 14, 15, and basically I figured a few things out. Also, really where the majority of this information has come from has been the people I've met along the way who've been kind enough to break down what their, either MCNs and big networks have helped them with, what they've learned themselves, aligning insights that we both found on the YouTube page and YouTube algorithm, etc. And overall, here's what we're going to do. We're going to teach you how to optimize your YouTube channel, right? So we haven't been getting full credit for our playlists. I'm just going to jump straight into it, right? If you did not know, there is a default uploads and a default most popular page, a default most popular and upload page for your playlists, right? If you go to your channel, let's say uploads, right? That's not a custom playlist. You do not get full credit for views within that playlist as well. You get credit, but not as much. You don't not get views, right? But not as much as you get if this was a custom playlist. The number one thing you can do to optimize your channel is actually remove promoting your uploads and your most popular channel, your most popular playlist page, because you do not own those playlists. Technically, they're assigned to your channel, but they're not real playlists. What you want to do is you want to make two brand new playlists, one that's called latest videos or uploads. You could call it whatever you want, so you have a chance to not just call it uploads, right? For me, it's called latest videos, and then another one called most popular. Now, those are custom playlists. You want to now add literally every single one of your videos to those playlists, but also the key is going forward is to actually set rules where you can actually go to the playlist settings and you can set an auto add rule so that pick words that appear on default in every single one of your descriptions. For example, like your username or your channel or something like that. By the way, we're going to get to these rules later, right? Or get to words that are appearing in there that you could use as your rules. Set some rules so that every video that gets uploaded instantly adds itself to these playlists. Boom. Right off the bat, what you've done is you've stopped promoting playlists that you don't get full credit for, and you have enabled yourself to now get more credit for these playlists, right? And then the next step is to actually position these in replacement of the other ones and let the other ones just disappear. They can still be found if you go to your uploads, your playlist section, but you want to actually at the very top replace that uploads playlist with your latest videos playlist, right? Instantly, 100% instantly. You want to do this and then maybe put your most popular at the bottom or wherever you decide that should be, right? But right off the bat, you want to do this, and now what you have is playlists that are acting more in your favor, okay? They're literally more optimized to actually deliver you views, for you to get more credit for those, etc. The way YouTube has started working is that a playlist can work like a video. Those playlists can rack up views, tens of thousands of views that you wouldn't have gotten any credit for if you were not, and the views aren't registered on, your social blade or anything like that. It's views within the playlist views. But you can see that you're getting more credit for it 100%. 2 seconds. So get those made. Now, next, what you want to do to playlists is literally go and add your username of your YouTube channel to the end of every single playlist. For example, if you go onto my channel now, you could scroll down all my playlists, and at the end it has --JackCole. So what that does is it assigns that playlist to my channel. It essentially sets in stone that that's a JackCole playlist, and also it repeats that keyword of JackCole, which I'm trying to obviously keep repeating so I can own search results, etc. Right? So actually dash your YouTube channel username to the end of every single playlist, and right there, that is even further optimizing the playlist and actually linking that playlist to your YouTube channel, right? I'm not sure how big of an effect that has, but I know that it damn sure does better than not having that there. And at the end of the day, that's a lot of what optimization is a tiny little switch. Over the long run, this stuff's not going to blow you up right away just doing that, but over the long run, that's going to have a much healthier effect on you, especially the latest videos custom playlist that you need to create. If I click on my latest videos custom playlist, I don't even know. It has 29,915 views, that custom playlist. Now, you can't see how many views your uploads playlist has or whatever, right? So we know there's more traffic coming through there, and I'm getting more credit because of it. And overall, bada bing, bada boom, that right there is the first basic tip. Next up is a little bit more on playlists. So you want your latest videos up at the top. Then below that, you want your featured playlists. Actually make a whole next section as the second row down, because playlists are more valuable to get viewers into than solo videos, because instead of just playing in the next video after, which is going to be potentially a random video that's not yours, right, in terms of the YouTube recommendation, if they're in a playlist, playing the next your video, the next your video, the next, right? So there's no possibility of them going to another one unless they click the recommended, actually physically click it themselves. But there's no chance that they're going to be actually just thrown onto another video by YouTube's doing if they're in your playlist, right? You're not trying to trap anybody, but at the end of the day, this is a tactic for more views. You know what I mean? Right? So second down should be the featured playlists. Again, dash your username, right? So featured playlist dash ItsJackCole. And what I have here is just some popular playlists of mine. I've got my Project Breakdown series. I love Project Breakdown, hands down one of the most impactful series I've ever done on the channel, where we take a project that I've done, we break it down, I tell you where I got the job, how much I was paid for it, what the job entailed, how you can get the same. In fact, Project Breakdown, banger series. I would definitely advise you to watch that if you're new to the channel. 6 episodes deep into it. Every single 6 is literally 6 of the videos I'm most proud of on this channel. Next up, I got my Make Money Video Editing and Filming playlist, obviously super aligned with what everybody's subscribing for. Then my Make Money Making Videos podcast playlist to direct people to more longer form content so they can learn even more based on just my experiences, talking with other guests on how, we both made money making videos in different ways, and, kind of just providing more value there. I've then got my free packs playlist. So if you want any free stuff, there's 5 different videos giving away free stuff in there, and then also my freelance tips and tricks. So I've got my most kind of relevant playlist to the average viewer that's coming in. And also what you could do is throw a playlist that maybe isn't receiving so much traffic in there and, start upping the traffic of that right off the bat, right? So those right there are pretty crucial things to do straight away, right? Boom. Let's take a sip. Let's have a look if I'm missing anything. Quickly as well, actually having your YouTube username in your About section is just another keyword for, is just another search result ranking tactic, right? So for example, this might be less applicable to you. If your name is something super unique that you definitely get the search result every time, you're all good. You may as well do this because it can't hurt, but you're all good. For me, ItsJackCole, if you didn't know, ItsJackCole, it's not the most creative not the most creative name you've ever seen in your entire life, right? Plenty ItsJackColes in the world, and some of them have already done big things. I now finally, after 2.5 years of creating content, own the ItsJackCole search result. But for a while I didn't. For a while it was a dancer, then a video game guy, etc. And, to own your own search result based around whatever your username is, whether it is your own name or not, is fucking crucial. And this is obviously a way you can do it. And that's if you go to my About section, you see it says, hey, I'm ItsJackCole. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we cover daily topics revolving around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos, hosted by 20-year-old video editor, videographer, and YouTuber, ItsJackCole. I've repeated my name twice in there. Now, that accompanied with the fact that my username is ItsJackCole on the actual channel, that's enabled me to rank for sure. YouTube knows. YouTube's using a robot to figure out certain keyword patterns and then say, okay, this is probably ItsJackCole because it says ItsJackCole in his About section and his name is called ItsJackCole, therefore this is probably the ItsJackCole people are searching for, right? It can only be so smart, but thank God we're in a world where technology is improving, and it is smart. That is smart. That's a good way to figure it out. Cool, you know what I mean? By having the keyword repeat multiple times, right? So bada bing, bada boom. That right there is, a little thing. Is this in focus? Sorry, I might have just tripped myself out. Let me unfocus it so I can focus it, though. There we go. That's pretty funny. I'm not going to cut that. Hell no. You guys know I don't be cutting shit around here. Next up, a channel trailer. Channel trailer is, after you've actually done those little things, crucial. In fact, to be honest, a channel trailer might be the most important one on this list, actually. A channel trailer, get yourself a channel trailer sorted. A channel trailer is basically, it's the last line of defense. That might be the wrong way to put it, but it's a pretty funny way to put it. Basically, if somebody has enjoyed the video, they've watched of you first, and then they come over to your channel, and then they get this perfect pitch, which is a channel trailer. A channel trailer is just a perfect pitch, right? It's saying like, hey, what's up? mine's like, hey, what's up? I'm Jack. I basically say the same thing I said at the beginning of this video. I'm a video editor, videographer, and YouTuber, and I'm here to make content. And I basically go on to pitch myself and say that if you guys like creating videos, whether it be video editing, videography, or how to make money making videos, you're going to love this channel. You should definitely subscribe. And, I say that in a very short 1 minute 17 video. That video in the past 5 months has had 21,000 views. And no one's searching for that video. That video, all those views are coming directly from my actual, watch page on my YouTube channel. Basically, that's the last line of defense. They decide, oh, I kind of like this, and then they hear that pitch video as soon as they get to the channel. If they're already thinking of subscribing, they convert instantly because it's a no-brainer that you're going to want to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in the topics that I've already covered by you viewing my first video and then hearing me, reconfirm that I'm going to cover in that channel trailer. So a channel trailer is crucial. In fact, I won't play it the whole thing now, but I'll leave my channel trailer link down below in the description so you can watch it and copy it if you want. That's like my third or fourth version of it. So it took me a second to figure it out. That's a great way to say it. And as soon as I put that up, I noticed an increase. I don't even know the percentage, right? Because I'm not a fucking writing all these things on spreadsheets or nothing. But I know for a fact that I started getting more subscribers as soon as I incorporated a very straight to the point video intro that sort of does my last bit of selling for me and says, boom, if you guys are interested in this, this, and this, you're going to be interested in this channel, subscribe. And that right there is more or less it, right? Also, I'll add this one right here. If you want to go the extra mile, a great way, once you've already started building an audience, right? This isn't the most effective and it's not the greatest use of your time if you don't have a big audience. But once you're starting to get a relatively sized audience, actually posting your videos every morning on your community page so that it resends it out to people. So I post videos every night at 9 p.m. GMT. Then the next morning at 9 a.m. GMT, or around that, maybe 7, maybe 8 a.m., whatever time I remember to do it, right? I post a post on my community page, which sends it out to all my subscribers again, maybe ones who missed it as well, that says value alert or new video alert or whatever I feel as though putting in the title, value alert, new video alert, and then the title with the video linked, right? So if you missed that, that could pop up on your community page, right? And you could convert to a view if you haven't seen it already, or if you thought, oh, actually, that was a good video, I'm gonna watch it again, maybe I forgot to take notes or whatever, right? So that's a cool tactic, but also I actually pay a monthly fee for something called Twit Timer, which you can then go there and just copy paste the same thing that you just wrote on your community page, but you can link it up to your Facebook and your Twitter, and then you can actually send the message there, and that instantly sends that same value alert or that shout out post basically to your new video, and that sends it straight to Twitter and Facebook, as well as posting it on your community page. And I do that for every video every single morning. There's mornings I forget, obviously, naturally, just gonna come with the game, but I'd rather do 22 mornings out of a month rather than none, right? So that's a cool tactic as well. That can show other people on different social media sites that also follow you on Twitter, Facebook, whatever, that there's a new video out in case they missed it, right? So boom, there we go. How to optimize your YouTube channel to get more views, to get more subscribers, to overall just grow faster. Growth is a relatively slow thing until you've built that catalog on your channel authority. I'm going to shout out a video which will literally start playing, or you'll be able to click on as soon as I stop talking, and that is the YouTube Starter Kit for Beginners. If you've taken my advice in here and optimized your channel, a video the other day I did, which I felt I went too hard in, but then I had such a great response that I think, God damn it, maybe I should go harder in all my videos. I don't even know. But basically, check that video out. It'll be on screen for you to click as soon as I'm done talking. And lucky for you, I am, so I'll let you go. Oh, follow me on Instagram at ItsJackCole. I'd be happy to reach out to you guys, talk to you guys about anything. Have a nice day. Take it easy.
Invade King